In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance for earning through staking, specifically highlighting the simple earn feature. Now, to get started, you'll want to first log into your Binance account. If you're already a Binance user, this should be straightforward for you. Just head over to the Binance website and enter your login credentials. It's important to always use strong and unique passwords and, if possible, enable two-factor authentication to ensure the security of your account. After successfully logging in, the next step is to navigate to the Binance Simple Earn or Staking section. This feature can be found under the Earn tab on the main page. Simple Earn is a great tool for those looking to make passive income with their crypto, and Binance has made it easy with a user-friendly interface. Once you've located this section, click on it to view the various options available for staking. Now that you're in the Simple Earn section, it's time to select the coin you wish to stake. For today's guide, we'll be using USDT, which is a popular stablecoin option known for its price stability relative to traditional fiat currencies. This makes it an excellent choice for new or cautious investors looking to explore staking without the volatility risk of other cryptocurrencies. Once you have selected USDT from the list, you will be presented with options to choose between flexible or locked staking. Flexible staking allows you to redeem your assets at any time, whereas locked staking usually offers a higher yield since your assets will be locked for a specified period. For this demonstration, we will select the flexible staking option to give you more freedom and daily earnings accruals. Next, you'll need to decide how much USDT you want to stake. Enter the amount you'd like to commit in the field provided. Make sure you are comfortable with the amount you're staking and are aware of any potential risks. You're almost there. The next crucial step is to read through and agree to the associated terms and conditions. Always ensure you understand any agreement before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, tick the checkbox to confirm your acceptance of these terms. With everything set, the final step in this process is to click on the Confirm button to complete your staking setup. After confirmation, congratulations! You're now actively staking USDT on Binance using the Simple Earn feature. To keep track of your earnings and how your investments are doing, regularly visit the Simple Earn dashboard. Here, you'll find updates on your earnings, giving you insights into how well your assets are performing. This dashboard is quite intuitive and provides all the necessary information for managing your staking investments effectively. Remember, the key to successful investing is ongoing learning and monitoring. Happy staking, and may your investments prosper.